Good morning, dear students. Today I will give the exercise, and today I will give the exercise of chapter 4, lesson 4, sorting materials into groups. Sorting materials into groups. First one is the fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. First one, common salt is soluble. Common salt is soluble in water. The freshly sandpapered surface of a metal has luster. Coconut oil floats on the surface of water. Fourth one, most of the gases are insoluble. Most of the gases are insoluble in water. Glass is a transparent. Fifth one, glass is a transparent material. Now come to the second one is the statements. I will give the answer only. Answer 1. An old copper object is reddish in color. An old copper object. An old copper object greenish in color. Greenish in color. Second answer, diamond is an opaque substance. Diamond is a transparent substance. Diamond is a transparent substance. Diamond is a transparent substance. And next one is the diamond is a transparent substance. Honey floats on the surface of water. Honey sinks down in water. Honey sinks down in water. Fourth, an alcohol is immiscible with water. Alcohol is miscible with water. Alcohol is miscible with water. Alcohol is miscible with water. Fifth one, talcum is the softest substance in nature. 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 Third one is the match the following. Match the following. First one, a material which is capable of scratching another material, that is the hard. C. Second one is a liquid which does not dissolve in water, immiscible. E. Immiscible. Immiscible. Third one, a term used to describe a particular kind of matter, that is the material. D. D. Material. Material. Fourth one, a substance through which you can see partially, which can see partially translucent. B. Translucent. Fifth, a gas which is soluble in water. A gas which is soluble in water. gas which is soluble in water, carbon dioxide. Gas which is soluble in water, carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. You can see, fill in the blanks. Soluble, common salt is soluble in water, and in second one luster, third one floats, fifth one insoluble, fourth one insoluble, fifth one transparent. Statements: and old copper object greenish in color, diamond is a transparent substance, honey sinks down in water, fourth one alcohol is miscible with water, and talcum is the softest substance in nature. Match the following: first one hard, third one second one immiscible, third one material, fourth one translucent, fifth one carbon dioxide. Now come to the true false. Fourth one true false. First one, iodine crystal have luster. True. Second one, natural water contains dissolved carbon dioxide which helps in the respiration of fishes. That is the false. Third one, diamond is the hardest naturally occurring substance. True. Fourth, mercury is a liquid metal. True. Butter paper is transparent material. False. Honey is immiscible with water. False. Fifth one, find the odd out from the following. First one, common salt, glucose, copper sulfate, and powdered glass. Powdered glass insoluble. Powdered glass insoluble. Powdered glass, it is insoluble. Second one, jasmine, marigold, bucket, and rose. Bucket, it is non-living. Third one, gems, aluminium, silver, and lead. It is gems. It is stone. Fourth one, chair, table, cupboard, baby, and bed. Baby, it is living being. It is living being. So first one, powder glass, it is insoluble. Second one, bucket, it is non-living. Third one, gems, it is stone. And baby, it is living being. Now come to the answer the following. 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 First, answer 1. Name 4 substances which have luster, no luster. First one is the luster. 4 substances you have to write: gems, iodine, graphite, metals. Gems, iodine, graphite, metal. No luster: wood, stone, paper, wax. Wood, stone, paper, wax. First answer, you can see that luster, gems, iodine, graphite, metal, and no luster, wood, stone, paper, wax. Second answer is the answer number 2. Answer number 2. Classify the following things as soluble or insoluble. Soluble, soluble, common salt, common salt, common salt, sugar, common salt, sugar, copper sulfate, copper sulfate, washing soda are insoluble in water, and insoluble fine sand, talcum powder, talcum chalk, iron fillings are insoluble in water. Answer 3. Classify the following things on the basis of sinking or floating. Sinking, floating. Sand, aluminium, and gold sink in water. Sand, aluminium, gold sink in water. Plastic, beads, wood, thermocol, rubber, an air-filled balloon, till question number 3rd. Till here you have to write in copy.